Watch YouTube by refrigerator door. This is refrigerator with family herb.
This one because this one deeper.
Dip, ha? Dip. Này dip.
Deeper.
This one is deeper one.
I trade it kind of little bit different.
Yep. Samsung á. Cái này là Samsung brand name nha.
Đó. Have one tray. The other one. Kind of little bit different.
Okay, how easy on the bottom. Bottom two. Bottom. The price
34.
They have Fingerprint Resistant Finish. Right now I at the Costco. $800 off for Samsung refrigerator. Side by side refrigerator. They have a lot of space, more drawer, lot of space. You can watch the YouTube, a movie, or listen to music right at the door. If you have ring door camera like back door, front door, you can see on the refrigerator door. And refrigerator side by side is wide open, it's more space. Yeah, I love it. My brother, he just bought it from Costco. It's $800 off. So it's more space. The middle drawer. And the bottom is a freezer drawer. The bottom is freezer. It's a lot of space. If you have the ring company, you connect to the refrigerator and they show you your back door, front door. You see whoever come to your house, you see through the refrigerator door. It's so cool. So you see right now they show my mom on her backyard. And another thing is so cool, you can watch the YouTube on the door. You can listen to music, you can watch any movie, whatever on YouTube. You can watch it right here. You just search and watching and listen to music. It's so cool, I love it. Thank you for watching my channel. Thank you for like and subscribe. Thank you.